Okay. You ready to see the present Puppy Grandma sent you?
Yeah.
She misses you so much.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Oh, dear. Are you looking for? Papi, Mama is in that.
And she sent you that teepee with the lights.
Eeyore.
There's Eeyore. There's everybody.
Here's Tippy. Here's a Bobo. Zoki. Here's Zoki.
So when you start to miss her and want to go see her, you can get inside the teepee. And you're surrounded by her. It's kind of like the Campy Camper, except it's the teepee teepee. T-T-T-P TPP.
What Mama put up? What Mama put up?
Well, I put it up, yeah, but it's all her. Without Puppy Grandma, I never would have thought of it.
Look at what it has. Right? It's a hat. Look at that. Look at Mommy. Look at that. This something.
We can sing in the teepee and read in the teepee, play games in the teepee, sleep in the teepee, cuddle in the teepee.
Mom, get ready to door.
We can play our guitars in the teepee. You want to read a book?
Yeah.
All right.